Hi, sweeties. It's almost pumpkin spice season. Pumpkin spice season starts when Starbucks releases their pumpkin spice latte, usually around Labor Day, a few days before or after they have not announced the launch date of the pumpkin spice latte for this year. But we're going to go ahead and start celebrating pumpkin spice season with the launch of the pumpkin spice dessert recipe collaboration. Open collaboration, so that means I want you to make your pumpkin spice dessert recipe, make that video, and we will add it to our playlist. And we want just a whole long playlist of delicious pumpkin spice desserts. Now that doesn't mean it necessarily has to have pumpkin in it. It can have pumpkin, but it doesn't have to. But it has to have those pumpkin pie spices, the pumpkin spices. So what are the pumpkin spices? Those are those warm spices that you get around this fall time. Pumpkin pie, apple pie type of spices. You get cinnamon in there, nutmeg, ginger, cloves. I like to add a little cardamom to my spice blend, if I make my own, because I think it adds a little bit of zing to it. But they're so delicious, those flavors that you'll find in pumpkin pie. And I want to see your dessert recipe with those flavors. So I'm going to read all the rules that we need to follow to get this collaboration going. So pardon me, I'm going to put my glasses on because I can't see. There we go. So the first thing that I would want you to do if you are participating in the pumpkin spice dessert recipe collaboration, please comment below. Let me know that you're coming. Now, second, I want you to put in the description box of your video, put the hashtag Pumpkin Spice Dessert Collab 2019, and that'll be in the description box, so just copy and paste it. That way we can be sure that we all have the same hashtag, because the hashtag is going to be the way that I find your video. Next, please give me a shout out in your video and in the description box. Demetra from Sweet Savant, and put a link to the playlist in your description box, and please watch everybody else's videos. Just, let's support each other. The more we watch each other, the more people will get to see it. And put a link to my channel in the description box as well, please. The upload date is August 23rd. That is Friday, August 23rd at 7 a.m. Please don't upload early. I appreciate that. And the only other thing is to please keep it clean. You don't want no profanities and such. We want to make it sweet, right? Make it sweet and spicy. So get those recipes together, get your video done, and we are going to all upload on August 23rd. Shouts out to Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan for sending me this great sign, because she knows how much I love the pumpkin spice, and she sent this to me as friend mail last year. So shout out to Denise, and also shout out to Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, because she reminded me, she's like, hey, are you going to do this collaboration this year? Because we did it last year. You can take a look at that playlist and see the recipes from that playlist from last year. And she's like, hey, you gonna do it again this year? I said, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So let's get it done. I went out to the store yesterday and got a little pumpkin spice inspiration. They've got all the pumpkin spice products in the stores, and I just saw this cute little pumpkin spice pillow. They've got it all. So there's lots of stuff that we can use for inspiration. It doesn't have to be complicated, just has to have the pumpkin spice, and it has to be sweet. Look at this pumpkin monkey bread mix I found in the store. You can do something like this with biscuit dough and pumpkin spice. So Thanks so much. I hope we get lots of participants. Tell your friends, make your recipes, get them uploaded on August 23rd, 7 a.m. And have a delicious day. And let's enjoy pumpkin spice season.